In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter box in this Dodge Durango. Let's get into it. We're going to take this weather strip off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Get underneath here. Just pop this up. There's just push retainers holding it in. And slide that to the side. Loosen up this worm clamp. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Take this hose and we'll just slide it off, just like that. There's another hose right here. Just grab that, twist it off. If it's not coming off that good, you can just pry it off with a screwdriver or a pick. Slide that out of the way. There's two clips right here on the driver's side of where the airbox is. Just slide those back. And you can grab the top of the airbox and it slides out. There's a couple clips there, it just slides out. You can grab the air filter, slide that out. And we're just going to grab the back side of the airbox, pull it up. You want to get it past this snorkel. And it'll slide out just like that. Right here, there's a little bushing in there. We're just going to use a trim tool. Just pop this out, just like that. And then this piece will just slide right off. Unhook these clips, just pull these back, and this top slides off. Set the top aside. Take this piece right here. We're going to just slide that in. And this piece right here is going to line up with that hole. Push that so it locks in place. Now that's good. Now we can slide this past the snorkel. There's grommets and push pins. You just want to push that down on the grommets. Take your air filter. Line that up, push that in place, and the top part of the box, we're going to line this up with the snorkel, and then the tabs on the back side are going to go underneath. Push it down and lock it in place. Push on the two locks, push this hose on. Tighten the worm clamp down. And snug it down. That's good. Give it a wiggle. Make sure it's good. Take the weather strip. Line the push pins up. And push those in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.